certainly does, especially in the category that we were in. So we did many countries, we did export orders and contract manufacturing. But when we sold Dr. Vaidya's, we had only tapped into the US, to be honest. Amazon as well was a platform we used. You have to follow the country's regulation, right? So hire people is my view. Hire an expert, hire a consultant to help you, because they have their own rules and regulations, and I recommend following them, right? So we took our time. We took our time to understand that, okay, fine, which category do we fall under? We took our time to understand, recreate labels. So actually a product in America and the product in India looks very different because of different label regulations, for example, right? And that's something we learned through the process, right? Eventually, maybe can you kind of look at doing a blanket approval for all? Sure. But every country has their own rules, because unfortunately Ayurveda is not as regularized. So it depends on certain ingredients that are allowed or not allowed. My view is go to experts, right? I'm sure Seller App, you guys would know a bunch of people who could help sellers out as well, given that you have a lot of Indian brands selling in the US as well. So I think there are many agencies also that help you. Tap into experts. Don't waste your time and effort trying to learn and invent a wheel that someone's already learned, made their mistakes and done. So yes, it takes time, but you also have many advantages, right? The spending power is higher, your margins get higher. There's a huge demand right now. I'm sure you've seen the data on Seller App, right? For, as you mentioned, OTC wellness products in general. And proudly take Indian products globally, so all our products actually have a line that says proudly Indian, so that even when it sells in the US, we are proud to say they are from India.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.